Seedance 2 with the right prompting is an absolute game changer. Check this out.
I'm gonna make this fast. You know what to do.
He's gone.
It was a sacrifice for the mission. Let's make his death count.
Finally, you came by yourself. What's going on?
The short action movie you just watched was created entirely with Seedance 2, complete with sound effects, dialogue, and fully consistent characters throughout every scene. This is the future of video creation. In this video, I am going to walk you through the complete workflow I used to build it from scratch. From scripting and generating consistent characters, to creating continuous scenes, generating videos with Seedance 2, and finally putting everything together inside CapCut. No fluff, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need is a video idea. If you do not have one yet, you can use AI to brainstorm it with you. For all the scripting and prompting in this project, I used Claude AI, and for image and video generation, I used SGen AI for Seedance 2 Access. I will explain exactly why SGen is the best platform for Seedance 2 inches just a moment. I used the Claude desktop version, but you can access it online by searching Claude AI in your browser and signing up completely for free. It outperforms ChatGPT when it comes to complex reasoning and structured prompting, which is exactly what you need for a project like this. I had the option of starting with my own idea, but I started from scratch to show you how anyone can build a full movie from zero. I asked Claude for 6 movie ideas, each 2 minutes long, built on an 8-scene structure where every scene runs for 15 seconds. The first response was creative, but leaned too imaginative for what I was going for. So I pushed further and asked specifically for high action-packed movie ideas that would keep the viewer hooked from the very first second to the last. That second pass gave me exactly what I needed. I scanned through the results, and number 3, The Last Breach, was the closest to my vision. I replied with my choice, and Claude delivered a complete scene-by-scene breakdown for all 8 scenes. What made this especially useful was that each scene was timed at 15 seconds, and every scene picked up exactly where the previous one ended, building genuine continuity across the full 2 minutes. The biggest challenge in AI filmmaking right now is keeping characters looking the same across every single scene. To solve this early, I asked Claude for a detailed description of every character in the movie. The story had 2 sides, the SWAT team called Team Alpha and the enemy side. Team Alpha consisted of 4 members with Reaper as the team leader. For every character, Claude produced a full breakdown covering physical build, gear and costume, energy and expression, and a complete single-paragraph description ready to use as a generation prompt. It followed the exact same structure for every character, including the commander, the main villain, who appears in the final confrontation. With all the character descriptions ready, that is where SGen AI comes in. With a subscription starting from the standard plan, you get unlimited image generation using Nano Banana 2, which saves your credits for video generation with Seedance 2. Once you are on the home page, click on Tool Mode to start generating images. Nano Banana 2 is already selected by default for image generation. Copy your character prompt from Claude and paste it directly into the tool. For horizontal video content, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio and set the resolution to 4K for crisp, sharp results. The best part is that when you enable the unlimited generation option, you produce images with 0 credits. Using this, I generated all the characters for Team Alpha and the enemy side, then removed the backgrounds to make referencing easier during scene generation. With all characters generated, the next step was building the actual scenes. I went back to Claude and asked for detailed prompts for all 8 scenes, making sure each one referenced the characters involved and kept the environment, action sequences, and story beats fully connected for continuity. What came back was a detailed description for every 15-second scene covering the environment, the characters present, what is happening, and the full composition of the shot. Each scene also came with a summarized prompt ready to paste directly into the image generator. To generate the scene images, I copied each prompt, went back to SGen, and pasted it in with NanoBanana 2 selected. To maintain character consistency, I uploaded the character sheet with every single generation. The results were strong, but not every image will come out perfectly on the first try, so I always generated more than one variation and tweaked the prompt where needed until I had something that worked. I repeated this process for all remaining scenes, keeping in mind that some scenes may need to be regenerated later during the video stage to maintain visual continuity. This was the most important and technically demanding stage of the entire workflow. Seedance 2 performs at its best when given highly detailed and structured motion prompts, and this is where Claude genuinely outperforms every other AI model available right now. I asked Claude to generate motion prompts for each scene using different camera angles and multi-shots, including wide establishing shots and close-ups on specific characters. What impressed me most was how it structured each scene with precise time progression. The primary shot runs from 0 to 5 seconds, then cuts to an extreme close-up from 5 to 8 seconds, then to a low ground angle from 8 to 13 seconds, and finally to an over-the-shoulder shot from 13 to 15 seconds. This approach means you are directing Seedance 2 like an actual film director, rather than just hoping the output looks good. I copied each motion prompt, went back to the Shin homepage, and navigated to the Tools section under the Video category. From there, you will find all the latest and most powerful models in one place. Select Seedance 2, upload the image for the scene, and paste in your motion prompt. The tool supports durations up to 15 seconds, which matched my scene structure perfectly. One important thing before you generate. The Pro mode is selected by default at 218 credits per second. Switch to the fast version at 145 credits per second. The quality difference is minimal, and you will save a significant amount of credits across the full project. The reason SGen beats every other platform for this workflow is its support for real face references and far fewer content restrictions. I tested the same scene on a different platform, and it was immediately flagged because I had people's faces, and the prompt included armed tactical action. On SGen, every scene was generated without a single issue. If a video result comes out poorly, simply tweak the prompt or swap the reference image and regenerate. After generating all the video clips, the hardest part was done, and the project was roughly 90% complete. The last step was assembling everything into a single connected film. I opened CapCut, imported all the clips, and arranged them in the correct sequence on the timeline. You can use any video editing software you are already comfortable with. I added a cinematic instrumental track for background music to give it that proper movie feel, added a few text overlays, and exported the final cut. That is the full workflow behind the short movie you watched at the start of this video. I have linked SGen AI in the description below. Go try it today and drop your creation in the comments, because I genuinely want to watch what you make. If this workflow added value to you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe to join this community. See you in the next one.